Hi guys, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're talking about Module 3, Lesson 10, 11, and 12. Now the reason why there's all three lessons together is that all three lessons are all about being able to organize data and then be able to answer questions about that data that you put in the graph. So looking at this is already organized into a graph using tallies. Now, whenever you have graphs that are like tallies like this, you always want to put how much is for each category just to make it easier and putting it as a number. So the students voted to see what holiday they liked best. So Christmas had 5 votes, Thanksgiving had 3 votes, and Easter had 2 votes. So now we're going to answer these questions and it'll make it just a little bit easier for us to answer. So it says, how many students liked Christmas? Well, if you look, it says 5. So now it says, how many students like Christmas and Thanksgiving? That means we're going to have to add the total amount of votes for Christmas and the total amount of votes for Easter. So that means we're going to have to do 5 plus 3, which would give us 8. So our answer is 8. Next question says, how many more students like Christmas than Easter? So what we're going to have to do is, you can do it one of 2 ways. You can say, I know Easter is 2. I know to get to 5, it'd be 2, 3, 4, 5. So it'd be 3. More than that, 2 would need to be 5. Or you can subtract. You can say, Christmas is 5. If you take away 2, there'd be 3 left. So that means Christmas had 3 more students that liked Christmas than Easter. The next question says, which 2 favorite holidays did a total of 7 students like? So you have to look at the 5, the 3, and the 2 and say, what 2 numbers can I add together to make 7? Say, I know that 5 plus 2 equals 7. And so you have to actually write those holidays in the blanks too. So you're going to say, Christmas and Easter. So now looking at the next set of questions. This is the same graph with the same data, but it just has a few more questions that we need to answer. So the next one says, how many total students answered the survey? It says write the number sense to match. So how many total students answered the survey? Well, let's do the number sense first. 5 plus 3 plus 2 equals blank. So I know that 5 and 3 together make 8. And then I know that 8 plus 2 equals 10. So there's 10. So then we have to write the answer on this line, 10, to answer that question. So then it says, for this next question, it says how many fewer students liked Easter than Thanksgiving? I'm going to go right here and I'm going to erase this to answer this question. So how many fewer students liked Easter than Thanksgiving? Well, it says Thanksgiving has 3 and Easter has 2. Well, you can always count on. You can put 2 in your brain. You can count on till you get to 3. Up, 2, 3. Up. I know that is 1 more. That's 1. The 2 is 1 fewer amount of students that voted for Easter than Thanksgiving. Or you could subtract. You could say, 3 minus 2 equals 1. Alright guys, that is it for this video.